The octopus. Now, these guys can be really cool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off with kind of a circle here, okay? And then I'm going to go ahead and put in one right here. Alright. What I'm doing is I'm creating the back part of the octopus's head and to the front. So as I look here, you'll see how he forms just that swooping motion of the back of the octopus's head. Now if I want to, I can put in his eye right here, okay? And then there and there. And then I have the back side of his eye right here. And then if you want to, you guys can go ahead and put in those little ventricle things that live right about here. Next, I can go ahead and just get crazy with his tentacles, right? The best thing to do is to have 4 on one side and 4 on the other. Now, do you have to see all of them? No, you do not. Okay. What can you do to make this thing look even sweeter is you can put in a twist. What I mean by that is, if this is the top, how do I want to see the bottom? I close it off. Then I come back here and show the bottom half of it. So notice this would be the top, and then what I did was I put a line in there, came back down here, and now I can see the bottom of the tentacles. And put in all your little suction cups. So that's why I really don't put in a lot of those, because it gets a little tedious. Now if you want to, again, you can go ahead and intertwine things. You can bring in other pieces that maybe wrap around each other. So this would be shown here as the underneath. And then you see that there. And then I stop and erase right here because we don't want this thing to be see-through. So now he's even holding on to his own tentacle that way. And then again, you would have more of the backside ones here, all shown. How they look. And then bring in, another one there. And then maybe you don't even see the 8th one just because it's buried so much under tentacles. There you go.